Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is Piazza Talk, our channel about our life in Lucca.
And in the Tuscan hills.
Please hit the subscribe button. Grazie.
We're in one part of Bagni Di Lucca. Bagni Di Lucca is lots of frazioni, lots of villages, and we're down the valley in the part which is called Ponte Serraglio.
Ciao a tutti. We are inside the Bagno Bernabò, one of the old establishments in Bagni Di Lucca, a thermal spa. And we are today with Giancarla.
Questa nasce comunque nel 1593 con la Repubblica di Lucca e nel 1810 Elisa Bonaparte arriva perché è sposata al principe Baciocchi di Lucca, viene in visita a Bagni di Lucca e si innamora del posto.
Before this building there was a simple hut, as the spring was known for its curative properties. And a legend says that a Florentine traveler called Bernabò, who was suffering from a terrible skin disease, accidentally fell in the mud and experienced a sudden improvement to his condition. And this happened, if ever happened, in 1510. Elisa Bonaparte, who was Napoleon's sister, created this structure in 1810, and it has remained almost unchanged since then. The fresco have been redone by taking inspiration from the originals, and the single octagonal bars and also the marble floors are the originals. Elisa had this resort designed as a thermal park with all the establishments connected by beautiful paths. So Bagni Di Lucca developed into the most fashionable European resort, frequented by aristocrats, writers, musicians and socialites. During those years, a casino and a foreign club were added to the attractions.
At the Bernabò, you can have both medical and beauty treatments. And the Italian health service covers thermal cures for medical conditions. How amazing is that? In this spa, they specialise in skin, respiratory and problems with articulation. The water here has a constant temperature of 39 degrees centigrade or 102 Fahrenheit. You can soak in one of the beautiful historical marble baths, or you can bring some friends along and use the octagonal bath, which accommodates up to 8 people. You can have mud treatments, massages, or sit in the steamy grotto.
So I'm now in the grotto and I think I'm going to stay here all winter. You may have to pick me.
It's natural. And it's the water, thermal water of this Bernabò spring, which evaporates, and it's humid though.
It is humid, but it's beautiful. It's not unbearably hot.
Il fatto è che appunto l'acqua termale che scende di lì, evapora e uno respira tutte le sostanze dell'acqua, quindi effetto sia terapeutico, che rilassante, levigante per la pelle e
Vie respiratorie.
le vie respiratorie ovviamente e raggiunge diciamo una temperatura di 70-72 gradi.
Quanto tempo passa?
Il tempo medio generalmente sono 20 minuti,
Sì.
una ventina di minuti, poi se qualcuno vuole anche insomma uscire prima perché non sopporta troppo il caldo può tranquillamente, oppure stare qualche minuto in più, non succede niente, ecco. E ci sono diversi colori, possiamo anche cambiare colore.
Ah, ok.
Sì.
Ok. Sì, sì. Oh, adesso sei sul rosso.
Sono sul rosso, giallo.
Giallo.
Cromo relax.
Cromo relax.
Io che invece avere tante rughe, visto che fa la crema
Cos'è esattamente
Allora,
questa
è una
crema?
crema con acqua termale, la nostra acqua qua della fonte Bernabò, e la particolarità di questa crema è che è creata con 100% di acqua termale, che è raro a trovarsi, e quindi abbiamo creato questa crema, questa linea, alla quale abbiamo dato questa definizione eco chic, nel senso che è altamente eco, quindi studiato con prodotti naturali, e anche chic perché è un prodotto di alto livello che però si rivolge un po' a tutte le donne, essendo prezzi molto
Contenuti,
popolari.
sì.
E questa è anti-age?
Sì, abbiamo fatto una linea dove c'è anti-age o crema giorno, poi la crema corpo, siero, acqua micellare, mani e piedi, quindi proprio trattamento completo.
E anche le cose per tipo eczema?
Sì,
questa-
funziona tantissimo perché essendo creata appunto con il 100% di acqua termale, io l'ho provata proprio su me stessa e funziona veramente anche a livello di dermatiti, anche se non può essere definita una crema terapeutica, perché questa è una crema cosmetica.
E come le gente possono anche comprare online?
Sì, ora arriverà la fornitura, quindi sarà venuta qua in sede, ma proprio il progetto è di vendere online.
And we also want to thank Diego for the help and showing us around.
Thank you. See you.
And letting me in the grotto.
Vogliamo ringraziare Giancarlo per il suo bellissimo tour di questa bellezza, per fare la bellezza.
Esatto, proprio così.
Okay.
Grazie a voi.
There you are. What are you collecting?
I'm collecting wild mint, fresh mint.
Lost amongst the lilies.
Yes, so I'm going to get this. Lite less like this. And this one. It's really summer, so it is another couple of weeks, I suppose. When does summer start? Summer solstice, 21st. Am I right, Celia?
I think so, yes.
Okay, but we are in a kind of summer mood or temperature because it's been quite hot these days. Even today is quite pleasant. It's nice, and we want to make something summery. So the best thing is to do marinated aubergine or eggplant, as you like to call it, melanzane marinate. What we need is an aubergine. We need olive oil, in our case from a hill, vinegar. I use balsamic vinegar, but you can use any vinegar you have. Garlic, salt, and fresh mint from the garden. You can use any fresh herb you have. You can use parsley if you like, even basil leaves. I like mint, and also because we have mint now, fresh mint in the garden. We have a griddle pan, so I'm going to turn the heat on to heat the griddle pan.
But you could just use the grill.
You can use the grill or whatever.
Barbecue,
whatever facility you have. So now we have to slice the aubergine. So first of all, I remove this bit here. Now the thing is, do we do the long way or the short way? I personally think that it's better the short way. The long way is much nicer, but then you have some waste because this skin here, you can use it. The second question is, do we do with skin or without the skin? And I always like a bit rustic, so I do with the skin. So we go to cut it about a quarter of an inch. So half a centimeter more or less. Okay, this is what we have, and we got to grill this. Okay, now I'll turn it up a bit here, and we are going to grill the eggplant.
The thing about doing it on a griddle pan or grill is you get the nice lines.
Yes, it's pretty. Okay, now I'll turn them over. Okay. And now they're getting ready. First this one here, we can wait to plate. I'll leave it on the side of the plate so that it cools down easily. And let's check the next one. Okay, this is nearly ready. Okay, now this is ready. And I can go here to cool down. So you can see when they are ready that they get, first of all, they get thinner and the water is coming out, and they get, of course, softer. When they get softer, they're ready. Now the grilled aubergine are ready and cool, and I'm going to add olive oil, garlic, mint, and vinegar. First of all, a little bit of olive oil to start. Okay, this is the garlic, and I'm going to add certain number of cloves, but you can add more or less, depends how you like it, because if you put a lot of garlic it might be quite strong, depends on how you like it. Balsamic vinegar, pinch of salt to start, fresh mint, so I tear the leaves with my hands. What we do now is we want to move the aubergine, so allow the oil and the vinegar to soak into the grilled aubergine here, and also allow the garlic to infuse the oil. So I can see now that I need to add a bit more. First with oil, also because the oil in the end is wonderful to mop up with bread, to make scarpetta. Okay, this oil. Add a bit more vinegar. Then vinegar you adjust it to your taste as well. So this is the way. And okay, they look pretty good now. So what we need to do now is to allow them to rest for a few hours, and then we can eat them. But if you can do it the day before, it gets even better. It becomes very tasty there. Okay, I think that I want to cover it. Well, we should have a glass of wine. Salute.
Salute. This is a real family favourite, and also amongst our friends. It's really easy and it's perfect for that dreaded scarpetta.
Yes.
So
Dreaded
what is
scarpetta.
a scarpetta? The thing that causes an awful lot of conversation. It's your bread that mops up the oil.
Yes, in the plate like this. If you enjoy our videos, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps us enormously with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much.